Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be opening up this Paldea Evolved ETB. This will be my first time opening anything of this set, so let's see what we can get. And I like opening the ETBs first because it gives you this player's guide and gives you the checklist of all the cards that are in the set. And it also references what each rarity is now. Standard set all the way to the hyper rare 3 gold star. So, should get our 9 booster packs. Our dividers. Of course, block of energies. Code card. And this. The promo. That actually is a nice looking card and it looks a lot better in person. Let's see if you can get it out. I do like the card, and I'm glad every single ETB has one of those, so it's not a full chase card, so it's not going to be very expensive for people that just want to pull this. And then you got the card sleeves, matches the dividers, and of course these and die. So let's see what we can get out of these 9 packs. And Bramblin, Q-Fant, Krogunk, Total, Corviknight, Viper, Tauros, Paldea Aqua Tauros, Iono reverse, Total reverse, and a Sableye. Okay, second pack. Code. Hoppip, Makuhita, Pinchurin, Dieno, Mismagius, Brambleghast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Mischievous Reverse, Pupitar Reverse, and a Weevil. Let's see if we can get anything out of this third pack. Shroodle, Lynx, Jigglypuff, Tadpole, Luxio, Mastiff, Pupitar, Therapeutic Energy, Palmont, and a Skelerouge. No, just a holo. That does look nice with that color scheme. Nothing but holos now, but let's see if we can change that. Code. Magikarp, Slowpoke, Leo, Rockruff, Sudowoodo, Pelipper, Fletchender, Reverse Murkrow, Reverse Bombardier, and the first one, Ting Lu EX. It's a double rare EX. First hit of the ETB. Girafarig, Great Ball, Relor, Quaxley, Flamigo, Bombardier, Skiploom, Reverse Delivery Drone, Reverse Magnemite, and a Palmont Reverse or Hollow. Okay, we got 4 packs left. Got Palmy, Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Toxicroak, Oranguru, Electrode, Rookity Reverse, and a Marill. An illustration rare. And behind it is a, Meryl's second hit, and that is a nice looking card too. The love discs and all that in there. Okay, we're about average, 1 for 3 average. Okay, Rookity, Magnemite, Phalanx, Combi, Palmo, Gothorita, Honchcroak, Rockruff, Bravery Charm, and a Hydreigon. Okay, 2 packs left. See if we can get one more hit. And we got our first Pikachu. Even though it's just a common, I do like that. Slakoth, Wattrel, Fuecoco, Faulkner, Dunsparce, Passimian, Reverse Jumpluff, Pinsura in reverse, and a Tinkaton. The other one's also nice hollow with the collar pattern with it. Okay, can we get some last pack magic with Meowscarada? Okay, we got Jigglypuff, Girafarig, Tropius, Great Ball, Calamitous Wasteland, Primeape, Russia, Fletchling Reverse, Calamitous Wasteland Reverse, and ending it on a Rapska. Well guys, not much in this ETB. We got an EX and then the Marill. I do like the Marill's artwork. I'm hoping the other ones are just as good from the illustration rares and up. All in all, at least we were able to get that one as well, which comes in everything, but it's still a nice card with all the starters. Well guys, that'll be it for today. I look forward to getting into more Paldea Evolved with the booster box next, but that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content, and have a great rest of your day.